Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install macOS Tahoe Beta 6 on Windows PC. So let's get started. In this video I will show you how to install macOS Tahoe Public Beta 3, or as you can know as it into macOS Tahoe Beta 6. So Apple just rolled out macOS Tahoe Public Beta 3 and Beta 6, so it's on already there, so you can know it for like public beta 3 is for update into beta 6. Now now today we're gonna install Tahoe Public Beta 3. Now since I've already have the macOS Tahoe Public Beta 3, so I need to download it. Also, I'll put the link in the description, so you guys make sure to check it. Now to running macOS Tahoe Public Beta 3, you will need the things first on that when you're choosing as a BIOS. So for laptop, if you choose iMac as a BIOS, you must running iMac from 19,1, 19,2, and 20,1 and 20,2. From iMac 2018, from iMac like 18,1 like this or older, it won't work. So today I will be using iMac 20,1 for my Mac 2020. Now for Mac Pro, Mac Pro using 7,1. And if you're choosing Mac Mini, it won't work. If you're choosing Mac Mini, it won't work. And now for MacBook Pro, from 15,1 to 16,4, you can install it. So today we're using iMac 20,1. Now the next thing is you're gonna do is download CPU-Z for me. Alright, now you're gonna click on setup on it. Now click on it. Now, so you can see here, the name of CPU is i3 9th generation, and my CPU code name is Coffee Lake. So I will use an EFI for CPU Coffee Lake. Now, go to your browser again. Now you're gonna type EFI Larilla. Visit this website. Scroll down until you find desktop. Remember, if you're using desktop, you're gonna choose desktop, or if you're using a notebook, choose notebook. So this time I will use notebook. Oh, I will use desktop. Now the next thing it's gonna do is download proprietary for me. Visit this website. Now I'm gonna click on code, download it AZ. Now you're gonna download GNS and BIOS Master. I put the link in the description, so you guys make sure to check it. Now the next thing you're gonna download is Boolean or Etcher. Now you're gonna download mini tool partition wizard. Now the next thing is gonna download is Explorer++. Now click on download 64-bit. Alright, we're done. Now let's begin the installation. First of all, you're gonna run Boolean or Etcher for me. Now you're gonna click on flash from file. Remember, before we begin the installation, you will need at least 32GB USB or more, because this images file can contain up to 20 or 21GB on USB disk. Now you're gonna locate your file. Oh no, I mean macOS Tahoe download file. Alright, so when this error pops up, now you're gonna close it. Now you're gonna go to control panel, install program. Now this time you're gonna uninstall and reinstall Boolean or Etcher. And then you're gonna relaunch the installer again. Now click flash from file. Now click on your macOS Tahoe. Now so you can see it doesn't pops up any arrows anymore. Now you're gonna click on select target. Now choose your USB. Click on flash. Now the next thing is gonna do is extract EFI and the proprietary file. Extract EFI first. Now extract the proprietary file. Now run proprietary folder. Click on file, open. Now you're gonna locate your Mac EFI folder. EFI folder here. Go to EFI, go to OC folder. Now you're gonna choose config.please file. Now, so you can see the system product name here. Now, go to browser again. Now you're gonna choosing the right and browse. And now you can see here here I will use iMac. So macOS Tahoe Beta just support iMac from 2019 like this or later, or Mac Pro 7,1 later, and MacBook and the S&BIOS from 15,1 or later. Now we use iMac 20,1 for my S&BIOS. You need to really be careful at this step. Now you're gonna save the config file. Now the next thing you're gonna do is extract Genesis and BIOS master. Now run the file as administrator. Now gonna choose number 2. Now locate your EFI file again here. Now you can see the config.list file here. Right click and then choose copy as path. Now paste into it. Now you're gonna choose number 3. So I've used the S&BIOS iMac 20,1 for my PC. So for iMac Pro, for my iMac Pro like this, you can choose iMac 1,1 and the latest version is Tahoe. Now you're done. And now the next thing is gonna do is just wait for the USB to complete the flashing process. Alright, so when the flashing process complete, now you're gonna close the window. Now you're gonna set up mini tool partition wizard for me. And now, so when this screen pops up, now you can see it's almost take 19 gigabytes on USB. And now, can you see the EFI partition right here? Right click and then you're gonna choose change letter. Change any letter you want and click on apply. So, but when it didn't shows up the letter, now you're gonna unplug and replug the USB. Now right click on the EFI partition again, now choose change letter. Apply. Yes. Okay. Now you're gonna extract Explorer++ for me. Now right click and choose run as administrator. Now locate to EFI partition here. Now drag all of these files, permanently delete it for me. Remember, do not copy over or merge the EFI. Now go back to your EFI folder. My EFI folder is here. Now drag these two folder. Now right click and choose copy. And now you're gonna paste into the EFI partition. Now close the window. Now let's begin the installation. So I switch back to my phone. Now restart your computer and then head into the BIOS. Press delete key. Now you're gonna press the delete key to head into the BIOS. Now you're gonna choose advanced mode. Now you're gonna go to advanced. Choose PCH storage configuration. Now remember to select the SATA mode selection into HCI. Now you're gonna go to boot. And now you should see fast boot. Now you're gonna disable it. Go to secure boot. Go to key management. Now you're gonna click on clear secure boot keys. It should disable your secure boot. Now save the change and exit the BIOS. Now you're gonna press the key that go into your boot menu. Now you're gonna choose OpenCore USB. Now you're gonna choose the section called OpenCore or UEFI USB. So I'll go with OpenCore. Now you're gonna choose install macOS Tahoe Beta. Alright, so you're gonna wait for the code to load. So alright, so when you see this screen, means you're good to go. Now you're gonna choose, for me is the disk utility, and now you're gonna choose any disk that you split to install macOS. So here's the disk that I've already split for my video. Now I'm gonna choose erase. Now you're gonna choose it. Now you're gonna choose the name. If you want to rename it again, you can rename or you can keep. Now you're gonna choose format as APFS, stand for Apple. Now you're gonna click on done. And now you're gonna choose install macOS Tahoe Beta. Click on continue. Click on continue. Agree. Now select the disk that you've already formatted to install macOS. Click on continue. Now you just wait for it to complete the install progress so we can continue. Alright, so say hello to your new Mac system. Now select languages, so I will select it into English. Now select your country region. So I'm in Vietnam, so I will select the country is Vietnam. Now transfer your data to this Mac. If you want to transfer right now, you can transfer. Or you're gonna click on the setup as new. Now create your Mac account. So I will name it into Mac Mac, and then I will type the password from 1 to 9. Alright, so if you want to sign to your Apple account right now, you can sign, or you're gonna click on sub later. Now select your time zone. I will select my time zone is in Vietnam. Alright, so say hello to new Mac. So if this error pops up like this, it's mean you have has got Windows. When this error pops up, it's mean you has got window just on it. So you just simply click on ignore it. Now say hello to new Mac. So this is macOS Tahoe Beta 6, or known as Public Beta 3. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, so when the screen shows up means you're good to go. Now say hello to new Mac. So you can see here to receive all the rights of my computer. So mine is i3 9th generation, 3630, 16 gigs, VDR4, and this is macOS Tahoe 26 but of 6. So that is how you install macOS Tahoe beta 6 on Windows PC. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the like, sub, shares button and watch my new video. And I'll see you in the next video soon. Goodbye.